Alright guys, doing a quick little fill up. Start my Doordash in. I'll do it for 4 hours. I can always add more time if I need to, but we'll start with 4. Almost $10. Not bad at all. And we're good. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into today.
You okay?
Doing good, yes sir.
850?
900.
The 900?
Yeah, they got rid of the 850s.
I saw one at Wild Oats West. I wanted to pull the trigger on it.
I love this motorcycle.
I'm getting off the Gold Wing, trying something else different.
If I could afford a Gold Wing, I'd have a Gold Wing. But this is what I could afford. Trust me, I looked at those Gold Wings. Me and my coworker were talking about it all day. We both want one.
You can buy a decent, good used one for 20,000 miles for less money, half money.
Yeah, I've seen. I want to do more touring, but I like more of the off-road, dirt, gravel, all that kind of stuff. So that's...
See, that's what I've been doing my Gold Wing since '99, touring on the highways.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little trailer and camper I camped out with.
Mm-hmm.
Got all my tent stuff on that utility trailer. Now, there's some spots that I want to go in there, but my Gold Wing won't go all the way in there. Now, some parts I can get to, some parts I can't. It's like, I don't know if you ever had a dirt bike, you played with dirt bikes?
Mm-hmm.
See, I have. I grew up playing with dirt bikes.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, there's a difference between the tires.
Yeah, so I've heard.
I've been looking at the BMW because I'm on the Trot 900 or the BMW. But I seen an 850 one that I liked that was already decked out. And I didn't have to buy all the excess gear.
Yeah, they're nice. They're nice. I chose this over a Triumph. I was going to do...
Get better mileage on it?
Yeah, and I felt like it rode smoother. This one did than
That's what I'm looking at, because most of my runs are going to be good long highway runs.
This rides smoother than the Triumph.
Yeah.
The Triumph is more for off-road. I felt like, at least. All right, well, I'm going to get out of here. I got a dash.
Go ahead. I just wanted to look at the bike. I said, definitely going to go look at one now.
Oh, yes. They're fun. They're definitely fun.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Take her easy.
You bet.
All right, well, that was interesting. I had a nice little chat with an old timer. Got a Gold Wing. I'd love a Gold Wing, but definitely can't afford any Gold Wings around here. So I guess this is the place. I've never picked up anything from here, so this will be interesting. Look, they got our own little curbside to go.
Have you have that already, sir?
No, Doordash.
Got it. Let me get someone really quick.
Perfect, thank you. Alright, that was a quick one. Yeah, that guy was a nice guy. I wouldn't mind riding with him one day. I'm sure we'd just go cruising. 80,000 miles though, that's a substantial amount of miles. But I believe he was saying 97 or 93 Gold Wing. Pretty sure that's a very reliable motorcycle. It's feeling real nice outside today. I don't know if you can see down there, 68 degrees. Texas sun in the air. We're delivering to Viollet. I will either meet you at the front or you can leave it with the security guard in the front desk. Entrance has a flagpole. There is a flagpole. Okay, gotta push that or push that. I guess everybody is on lunch. Or they're closed today. One of the two, I don't know. Might text the guy and tell him I'm here. Sometimes you just have to be patient. Even though they are kind of cutting away from your hours that you could be on the road, I could have already dropped it off and been out of here, but I guess it just comes with Doordash, and that's what you kind of need to expect sometimes. Hi there.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Your straw's in the bag.
Thanks.
All right. Delivered. Confirm. $7. I've never seen a sign like that. Back in parking only. Thank goodness I didn't get a ticket. I mean, who's enforcing that, really? So that was dash number 1 completed. $7 in the pocket. Like I was telling that guy, I want to do more off-road stuff, but I still got street tires on it. I need to put some knobbies. The national forest up here is real nice. It's just I need some knobby tires for it. Everything's real sandy, muddy, all that kind of stuff. So we just got another one in. So I'll go ahead and accept that. Get directions there, $6. It's on my way in, so might as well. It didn't look that far away either. Oh, I see the sign right there. We're going over here. Yeah, this is where we're going. Address was kind of sending us astray. So I've never been in here either, so this will be first time for everything. See how it goes. Mobile order for Karen?
It's almost ready, okay?
Okay. Perfect, thank you. You got an interesting operation in there. Their food smells really good. Yeah, this is another thing about Doordash, and they always want you to get there quick. So it's telling me now, get on the toll road. You know I'm not getting on the toll road. I'm not paying extra for anything. Just to get on, skip 2 lights, and then get off is like $3-4. I might as well not have even taken the dash. It's a $6 dash. 32503. This one will be a quick one. Oh. That bottle at the bottom of it. Quick $7, $6 I should say. I'll head back to the little strip center that I was sitting at. I guess pick it up on the next one. Something interesting I discovered about my motorcycle not too long ago is I'm on cruise control right now. If I twist my throttle forward, it disengages cruise control. And that's such a nifty idea, and I don't know why every bike doesn't do this, or if every bike does do this, I mean, you might not even know about it. Give it a try, at least on your bike. Like I said, I just found that out not too long ago. I've never seen anyone else do it or use it. Normally what I would do is just kick my cruise control over and disengage it like that, but you don't even need to. You can just twist it forward, disengages, and then you're good to go. I just picked up another Whataburger for $6. Pickup from Wild Burger. What is Wild Burger? Is that across the way? But it is a Buffalo Wild Wings. Why is it Wild Burger? Upon arriving at Buffalo Wild Wings. I've never seen that before. From Wild Burger. Alright, another order picked up. Another order in the bag. Quick 6-minute delivery. It's not bad at all. Looks like I got a new friend behind me, motorcyclist. It's a nice motorcycle he's got. Never been in this apartment complex. It's pretty nice. Better than the apartment complex that I first lived in. They even got covered reserved parking. That's real nice. 352, 353, 353. That's right here. It's probably the easiest apartment complex I've ever dropped off at. Picture. Alright, $6. Something about high pay. We'll ignore that and head back to where we are. When you're snapping pictures of their front door, always try to include the house number or road number or some kind of significant mark that you can say, if they do dispute it, hey, this is the house I dropped that at. You can't deny it. The number's right there. It's an interesting fixer-upper. Let's get back on the road and pick up another order. See you when we're back in town. Well, another order just came in. Whataburger, which I just happen to be sitting right behind. $3, but it's not very far at all. It'll be a quick one. Probably gonna stay sitting here for a couple more minutes because I know they're not gonna be done for at least 10 minutes. Alright, picked up the order for Tanner. Only a minute after the estimated pickup time was. It was very busy in there. Very, very busy. There was no receipt, but I can tell why they wanted this Doordash. It's just, you just gotta drive around the toll road. It's not a very far delivery, it's just toll road's kind of blocking you off. Leave at my door. Leave at my door. I don't think this is a business. I think it might be this house right here. 14119. I don't know where 14119 is. It'd help if they had numbers on the side of their buildings. 14119. I mean, it's gotta be here. Is this a home or is this a business? I have no idea. Hi, sorry, is this... Did someone get Doordash here?
Probably. I think the guy in that back warehouse did.
Back warehouse, sorry. I'm opening it up, I'm like, this looks like a home, I better not go in.
Oh, you're good.
So can I drive around back?
Yeah, you can drive right back to the back.
Alright, Tanner. Where are you at? Tanner? Oh yeah, this feels real good outside.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, yes sir, enjoy. Let's head back behind that Waterburger. It's a nice and peaceful spot back there. Yeah, I walked in that place and I was like, whoa, this looks like a house. I better not walk in here. I was thinking it was going to be like a business front or just an office area. That looked an awful lot like a house. So I didn't really feel comfortable walking in that. I really didn't even know if I was at the right location. That's the hard part about some of these drop-offs. I don't even know if I really am in the right location. Sometimes the GPS on the app is just wrong, and it especially at apartments, it'll say, all right, you arrived at the apartment complex where you're supposed to deliver, and it's like 3 buildings over to the right, nowhere even near where your drop-off was. $7 for 11 miles. That is way out there. Yeah, I'm not doing that one. Sometimes they're just real far. I know it would have wanted me to take 99, which is the tollway out here. And yeah, I just would have been hit by every light. It's just not worth my time. A Walgreens. I've never done a Walgreens order. Do I do it? We'll do it and we'll see if they have me buying my own merchandise. This might be the first one I purposefully cancel, because I'm not doing that. But we'll see. Duck crossing. Alright, go on, fella. He looks like he's having some troubles walking. Yeah, he's limping a little bit. He is nice and pretty, though. Go inside to the photo and receive the completed pickup order. Okay. I didn't know Walgreens did that, but they do. So let me drive 7 minutes. Drop off some photos, I guess. Something about the small town of Tomball. It's just really enjoyable. Alright, looks like I got another one for Buffalo Wild Wings. 2802. Alright, leaving it at their door. Normally I don't like driving down people's driveways, but something tells me this is a business. They had fire lane signs. That big sign out in front. Memory lane, assisted living. Okay, it is a business. Assisted living business. Left it at the front door. Quick 750. Back into town. Let's see, is he gonna want to race? Yeah, he is. That thing had some get up and go, let me tell you what. Oh, he wants to keep going. I'll follow you around, buddy. Definitely a gold wing. Give him the thumbs up. Man, he again. That is, I didn't know gold wings had that much oomph behind them, but they get up and go. Alright, I'll stop chasing them around. It was fun. Just picked up a Panera Bread one. It's going quite far away, 12 or 13 miles. But it's also paying $13, so $1 a mile. So this will probably be my last one, and then I'll just cancel after the fact because it's on the way to my house. So this will be it. All right, let's go pick this up. Got the order. Let's go deliver this last order. What, 225? Jeez, these people. Yeah, they can afford Panera. So that'll be today's quick little journey, 5-hour long Doordash trip. I had fun driving around, looking at all the places, smelling all the good food. I'll pick it back up on the next time. Catch you guys later.